Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So all we have to do is to enter the settings. You have to take a look at this panel, which at least in this configuration is right here on the right, and the settings icon is at the top. So let's tap on it, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find reset settings. Then let's tap on reset, and as you can see, we just automatically got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences and customization. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.